Hey, video creators, welcome back to UniFab's channel. Have you ever struggled with distracting or unprofessional video backgrounds? UniFab Background Remover AI leverages advanced deep learning to intelligently detect and automatically extract the subject from your videos, removing the background with one click. Whether it's online teaching, live streaming, or short video creation, UniFab's free background remover makes your videos look more professional and engaging. Today, I'll introduce UniFab's free AI background remover, a powerful free tool that helps you easily remove video backgrounds without a green screen and with simple operation. Now, let's open the software interface and download this free tool from UniFab's official website. Download link below. You will see many AI features on the homepage. Select Background Remover and import your video. The software supports a variety of video formats and does not require complicated operation settings. There are 4 colors for you to choose from, namely green, blue, black, and white backgrounds. On the right side, you can crop the video clip to ensure that you get the most important part of the video. Choose the export location and click Start. In just seconds, UniFab will process and output your video with the background removed. You can clearly see the before and after comparison. The subject stands out and the video looks cleaner and neater. If you want to enjoy efficient video background removal for free, download UniFab's free background remover now. Feel free to leave your feedback or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.